And just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in the present moment. And now, feel the beating of your heart. Feel the breathing in your heart. Feel the sensations in your hands, your palms, your leg muscles, and at the bottom of your feet. And now slowly bring your attention to your feet and feel it resting on the ground. Feel your connection with Mother Earth. Feel the energy of Mother Earth merging with the energy of your body. Feel the Mother Earth as the central energy, as a central unified energy. It's a living body just like you, with infinity cells, and now feel yourself safe and held lovingly in Mother Earth. Feel her energy, feel the grounding. And now feel the connection. See yourself as an enormous body of the planet. Bring your attention to the top of your head. And feel this connection Feel this connection right through your head, your face, and now allow yourself to feel this down your neck, down your spine, and your face. Slowly feel the room that you are in. And visualize the whole room and try touching the rooms. Try touching, become a part of this room that you are in. You are taking the space of the entire whole room. And now let it go to your entire flat or your villa and become the part of the building that you are staying in. Slowly feel yourself becoming a part of the entire city. And then become a part of the state. Slowly become a part of the entire country, the world. And now let your awareness, let it all expand to the universe. Let it all expand to the universe. Imagine yourself as part of this beautiful planet, this solar system, this universe. And imagine yourself going to all the places that you ever wanted to visit. Breathe in this energy and the essence of all the places that you ever wanted to visit. Allow yourself to feel what you would feel. Allow yourself to feel everything that you would feel when you are visiting these places. Soak in the abundant energy that you are feeling right now of being able to visit places on this planet. Fill up the space of the entire planet, and we are so aware and our mind is so powerful that we can sit in our chairs and get these feelings of any place in this planet, because actually you are part of the entire planet. You are a small microcosm and the planet is the macrocosm. Make yourself aware of this power that every one of us has. And when you are aware of this power, I want you to feel this power in your body. This power, this abundant energy, feel it in your body and touch your hands. Place your hands to wherever you feel this power in your body, be it your head, be it your eyes, be it your neck, your chest. Feel this power. Your stomach, your knees, your legs. This universe is all around you. And now that you have become aware of the power that you possess, I want you to feel that power in your body. That is important. Associate that power with the body. Keep on breathing in and out. And now with this power, imagine your life the way you want your life to be. Picture all the happiness, all the wealth, money, security, love, kindness, and any other thing you desire coming to you. All these things are coming into your life easily, effortlessly, as if all these things have wheels, and money is coming towards you with wheels. Wealth is coming towards you with wheels. Get your awareness in creating wealth, health, money, love, security. You are the creator. You can create everything that you want in your life because you are the creator of your life. You are very powerful. You are so powerful that with one thought, you can create everything that you desire. With one thought, you can manifest a lot of things. Just open yourself wide. Open your arms wide to receive the abundant energy from the universe. Feel your power. All that you have connected and created is with you now and will become your reality very soon. Feel yourself breathing into this power and become aware of your body. Bring your awareness to your body on this planet, in this room. Feel your breath moving in and out. Feel the essence of all that you have connected and created. Everything that you connected to. And when you are ready in your time and place, you can open your eyes. And open your eyes to wherever you are in your environment. If you have any questions to ask me, you can write it in the chat box and I will answer them for you. Is there anyone who has any questions? You can maybe chat. The audio is not hearable. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow we will be talking about relationships. I ask you to write whatever you want to know about your relationships. So the meditation for tomorrow will be to manifest relationships in your life. So we will, whatever kind of relationships you want, so relationship does not always mean that it is to be with a person. It can be a relationship that you can have with money, a relationship you can have with your work, a relationship you can have with yourself. So see what kind of relationship that you are looking for, and then we can go ahead and manifest that relationship tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining in, and we will be posting this meditation, I think so, on the YouTube channel, and you can pick it up from there. So tomorrow meet you at 9 o'clock. Whatever relationship you want to manifest with whoever, with money, abundance, health, relationship, love, a person, your work, money, you can visualize and meditate on that. Since it's a 7-day work, you will start seeing a shift at the end of the 7 days. So that's why what the mind keeps on doing, the mind sees a shift in the behavior and the pattern. So be prepared for some good news in this week for all of you. Thank you.